Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the browser organization. So basically if you just learn to how to organize your browser, then you can just manage the big project very easily, right? So let me show you. First I will just add two more levels here. Uh, Let me just add one, and let me add one more. uh, See, I just added two more levels here, right? You can see in the here in the floor plan also and the ceiling plan also, right? So now let for the exit to exit from the command, I will just press two times of escape button, right? One, two. I just exit from the command. Now I just wanted to uh, organize this browser, right? So for that, I will just right click on the view. Currently, you can see here in the bracket written as all. In the view in the bracket written as all. So it will come as a by default, right? When you open the Revit, you just need to click on the right click on the view, and here you can see on the top browser organization. You just need to click on here, right? And from here you can see in the view, right? In the view, I'm just it is currently selected as all. I just wanted to make it as a discipline. I will just click here in the discipline, and I will just click on the OK. Currently, you can see here it is written as all, and in this way it is arranged. So I will just click on this all, right? See, now let me expand this one. Expand selected only. I have shown you this in the last lecture, right? I just expand the selected one. Now you can see all these things are coming in the structural discipline, right? You can just check the things from just by clicking here. If you just click on the level one, and see, this one is our discipline for this one is architect. If you click on the this one, discipline for this also one is architect only. Okay, you can just check it just by clicking. See, the discipline is architect, right? So now I just wanted to this all these things are in architect. So I just wanted to make the floor plans for just as of now I just wanted to make the floor plans only for the let me make for the structure one. So for that, I will click on the view. See, I just click on the view here, right? And from here, you can see the plan view. See, this one is your plan view, and here is a drop down. I will just click on this drop down, and from here, I will just, as of now, I just wanted to reflect in the floor plan only. So I will just click on the floor plan, and from here currently you can see no levels are showing here. So if you just deselect this one, do not duplicate existing view. So if you just deselect this one, and you can see now you can see the four number of level which are present in the floor plan, the same number of the same levels you can see here also, right? So now you just need to click on the OK. So here in the coordination, you can see the floor level, right? So first let me click on the OK, and see in the coordination you can just see this floor plan, right? Let me show you. Yeah, in the coordination we can just I just move only one level. Let me make it as undo, Control Z, right? And let me add again. I will go in the plan view. I will just click on the floor plans, and from here I will just deselect this one, and I will just select this all, right? I will just select this all, and I will just click on the OK, right? Now you can see in the floor plan, see here, the four levels you can see now in the floor plan. And basically what I wanted, I just wanted to move these levels in the structure one. So basically I will click on the shift, and I will just select this all, and from here just see here in the discipline. Currently the discipline is coordination. But what I wanted, I just wanted to make the discipline as a structure one, right? I will just click on the apply, and now you can see the floor plans are moved in the now in the structure one. So basically in this way, now I basically in this way, if I just wanted to move the ceiling plan, so I just click on the here, uh, reflect ceiling plan. I will just click here, and I will just click here, do not duplicate. And you can see the levels which are present in ceiling. The same level you can now see here also. So from here, you just need to select this one just by dragging and just click OK. So these levels are now moved in the coordination one. So I will just expand this one, and with the help of shift, I will just select shift and control. You can just select this level, right? And from here, you just need to click on the discipline, and I just wanted to make it as a structure. So I will just change the discipline in the structure, right? And just click on the apply. And now you can see uh, the floor plans and ceiling plans are now moved in the structure one. So now let me add for uh let me add floor plans, more floor plans basically. I will just drag this one, just click on the OK. Now this will move in the coordination one, and with the help of shift button I will just select the all, and from here I will now I just wanted to the floor plans I will just wanted to move in mechanical one. So I will just click on the mechanical, and you either you can just click on the apply, or you can just move your mouse of out from this property palette. See, if I just move my mouse out from the property palette, is this will update here, right? You can see the floor plans are now moved in the mechanical one. So in this way, you can just basically uh, organize your browser, right? So you can see this if you just click here in the floor plan, then you can see this one belong to architecture one, right? And if you just click here, so you can see this one is belong to architecture one. And if you just click on this one, then currently the discipline for this one is mechanical. Okay, fine. And this for floor plan, you can see the discipline is mechanical, and for here, if you just check, the discipline is structure. So you know the elevation. You can see this elevation each belong to currently the architecture, but you know elevations are always common for the all, right? The elevation view each common for the all means it will same for the architecture one also. It will same for the mechanical also. It will same for the structure also. So I just need to move this elevation, and basically this 3D also where in the coordination one. Okay, let me just move this thing into coordination. So I just click here, and now this 3D and elevation now belong to coordination. So in this way, you can just organize your project browser.